Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your digital strategy with Hootsuite detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your current digital strategy. Analyze what is working effectively and what needs improvement. Gather data on your social media performance, audience engagement, and content reach. Set clear goals for your digital strategy upgrade. Define what success looks like for your brand. Choose specific metrics you want to improve, such as follower growth, engagement, or website traffic. Sign up for a Hootsuite account if you haven't already. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Link your social media accounts to Hootsuite for comprehensive management. Configure your social media streams to monitor your brand mentions, industry trends, and competitors. Utilize the content calendar feature to plan and schedule your posts. Create engaging content tailored to your audience's interests and pain points. Test different types of content, such as images, videos, and links. Take advantage of Hootsuite's analytics tools to track your performance. Regularly review your analytics to understand which content resonates most with your audience. Identify peak engagement times and adjust your posting schedule accordingly. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Consider using Hootsuite's social listening tools to gain insights into customer opinions about your brand. Utilize the paid promotion features to increase reach if your budget allows. Experiment with A/B testing on your ads to determine what captures your audience's attention best. Adjust your strategy based on the findings from your data analysis. Continuously monitor your progress toward your defined goals. Stay updated with digital marketing trends and adapt your strategy as needed. Set regular intervals for reviewing and refining your digital strategy to ensure it remains effective. Leverage Hootsuite's resources, such as webinars and articles, to further expand your knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.